back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. This week, we are going to be doing another Amazon favorites video. Guys, this is gonna be like my 4th Amazon favorites video, and if you have not seen the other ones, I will leave links to those in the description below. They all have like a different theme, so one is like fashion and accessories, another one is all home stuff, so make sure that you check those ones out because I'm trying not to feature the same thing in all my videos. Also, if you're not doing so already, please head over to my Instagram and follow me. My tag is at HelloKristenTV. I'm always taking you along on my shopping adventures. I'm always posting in my Instagram stories everything that I get on Amazon and telling you whether I like it or not. So definitely head over there and check that out. So today we're gonna be focused on travel and pets. Two of my absolute favorite things in the world. A little background before we get started. I am a clinical consultant and I travel all over the US for my job. So I'm on the road pretty much every other week. I am flying somewhere in the US. So if they're on this list, then they are definitely approved by me because I do a lot of traveling. I like to be comfy at all points in time. And let's be honest, airplane seats are not comfortable at all. And the one thing that I always find myself trying to do is pick my feet up to put them on something. This solves the problem. It makes you look like a little bit extra, but if you are going on a long flight, this is an absolute necessity. So it's really small and it's light, and I take it in on my carry-on with me. And what you do is, see how it's like this little hammock for your feet. So you take the strap and you clip it over the tray. So you fold the tray down, you put this over it, and then you put the tray up, and you can rest your feet on this. Guys, it is life-changing. I absolutely love this. I always travel with it, and it's a necessity. It was only like $9 or $10. Highly recommend this. I actually lost my first one, and I went and I bought another one. Speaking of being comfortable on planes, I have tried using those neck pillows, and they're all terrible. But this one has changed the game. It's less of a pillow and it's more like a neck brace. So see, like, it's not fluffy. Inside of it, there's like this hard plasticky thing, and you literally almost wear it like a neck brace. So you put it on your neck and then you wrap it around like a scarf. I know, this is really extra. Oh my God, I can't imagine how I look on planes. But it actually props your neck up. This is so great, guys. It might look ridiculous, but if you are on a super long flight, it's worth it. And couple this with your foot hammock and you're gonna be asleep in no time. If you have on like a sweatshirt, this isn't that obnoxious. I actually bought this one on Walmart, but I'm gonna leave one from Amazon below because this has changed my life. It is a luggage scale, and all you have to do is you wrap this around the handle and you turn it on and you lift up, and it tells you how much your luggage weighs. This has saved me so much time and energy and stress at the airport. You have no idea. And then when I get there, I will actually toss this and keep it inside of my suitcase because I have a tendency to buy a lot of things and I want to bring things home, and I need to know if my luggage is going to be over the 50 pounds. So next on the list are these packing cubes. I am obsessed with packing cubes. You can actually like get them at Walmart and stuff, but these ones are really good quality and I love the diversity of sizes. 2 of these large sizes, a couple medium sized ones, and some of these small, long, rectangular ones, and they are perfect. I use them absolutely every single time that I'm traveling, and it helps keep all of my stuff together. It keeps it from like falling all over the place. It keeps it from wrinkling, and it definitely allows me to pack a lot more. I'm so much more organized when I use these packing cubes. Highly recommend them. They're really good quality. These ones, I'll leave a link in the description below. The mesh is really heavy duty. I was worried like I was gonna snag something on it and it was gonna rip, and it held up really good. It's really good quality. I have a whole bunch of book bags that I really like, and travel bags, and like designer dupes that I will leave in the comments below. I did another Amazon favorites video and they're all featured in there. So instead of being redundant and showing you all of like my book bags and my travel bags, just head down there and check that one out. So next on the list, this is kind of travel, or it's kind of whatever you want it to be, and it is a cooling blanket. So I go in phases, and I'm either really hot or I'm really cold for like months at a time. And especially during the summer, I am always hot. My boyfriend hates to turn on the air conditioner at his house, so I take this over to his house all the time, and this is the blanket that I use. It's an ultra cooling blanket, and it's always like the cool side of the pillow is exactly what it feels like. I love this thing. Even sometimes when I'm at home, my roommate also doesn't really like to turn the air on, so I'll turn it on and then she'll come out and she'll turn it off, and it's like a war the whole night. So I got this, and it has been so amazing. If you're traveling, you're going to like some places that are like really hot, and like you're in like Bali staying in a bungalow with no air conditioning, this might be just the thing for you. I cannot sleep without something on me, so this has been such a lifesaver, and it is so big. It's really long, it's really big, and there's two sides. One side is kind of like the shiny, really cool side, and then this side is a little bit warmer. It's not warm, but it's just a different kind of material. Thank you so much to Luggage. They actually sent me this to try out, and I am obsessed with it. Like, look at how small you can roll this up. This is a giant blanket, and it rolls really small, and it's heavy. So it's not just like this super light, airy thing. It has some weight to it. So highly recommend this. Let me know in the comments if you check this out. And also, huge thank you to Luggage because they are sponsoring today's giveaway. This is a stainless steel tumbler. So it comes with two different lids. You have this clear one, and you also have this one that snaps into place. And it also comes with a stainless steel straw and a plunger. This is also a great thing to take traveling with you. So to enter the giveaway, to win this tumbler, just head over to my Instagram at HelloKristinTV. Make sure that you are following me over there and find the thumbnail for this video and comment your favorite item. So just head over there, make sure you're following me. Also make sure you're subscribed to the channel and comment on this photo what your favorite item was from this video. So next on the list, we have this pet travel case. By the way, guys, I take Ollie with me every other week. I swear by this case. It is so good. For the most part, if it's underneath the seats, it is mesh. It's like a dark kind of mesh, which is actually pretty good because sometimes you don't want people to know that you have a pet around, but it's mesh on the top and it's mesh on one side. The other side has a pocket. And the best part about this is that you can unzip it and it expands into like this little extra living room for them. And it basically doubles the size of the crate. So if we're just sitting in the airport, I can pop this open and he has some extra room to lay down. Also, it has like a little leash attachment inside of it, so I can clip it on his harness and leave the top open, and he sits with his head out and he can't get out because of the leash. It also comes with this little like removable mat, and this unzips and you can toss it in the washer. Another great thing about this case is that it has this little strap that goes over the suitcase handle, so it stays and it won't fall off. So you can, you know, just go through the airport like this, and he can just sit on top of the suitcase so you're not carrying it all over. You are too cute. So a lot of the times people say, oh, you know, my dog won't stay in the crate, he doesn't like crates, and Ollie didn't like this crate either. But what I did was, a couple weeks before our very first trip, I purchased this and I left all the compartments open and I never once shoved him in it. I let him explore it himself. I actually replaced his dog bed on the floor and put like a blanket in this, and he actually started using it as a bed and got used to it and got the smell in it, and he knew it was like a safe place. And so every time when we travel, if I do have to leave him in the hotel for a little bit of time, I'll leave it open just like it's his dog bed and put the blanket in it, and usually when I come back, he's inside of it sleeping. Another great tip is to not wash any dog blankets before you leave. You want them to have the smell of home, so it's like really comforting for them. Guys, if you're not doing so already, head over to Ollie and Sharkbait's Instagram. It's at Oliver_and_Sharkbait, and go show them some love. You definitely won't be disappointed because they are the cutest babies in the world. Okay guys, next on the list, I have purchased so many of these and sent them back, and this is truly the best one. You might have seen it on social media, but it is the cat book bag. Look at how stinking cute this is. He looks like a little astronaut in here, and this is how I travel with Sharkbait if I need to. This is so cute. It's very stylish. It's really good quality. It has the air holes, it has some vents, and this is like mesh on the side. And it has this huge bubble window, which is a little bit ridiculous, but it's very, very cute. So this bubble window comes off, and you can just have it open. There's a little leash in here, so if you have a little dog, you can just keep the window open. He can stick his head out, and you don't have to worry about him jumping off because he's clipped and connected in here. And it also came with this. This is like a hard mesh kind of crate, so that if you're not trying to advertise that you have a pet inside of like this book bag, you can kind of conceal him up a little bit, and it's a little more inconspicuous. So I love this thing. This was only like $40 on Amazon. This is a little porch potty for Oliver. I got this to keep out on my porch so I don't have to always take him all the way down to the street in the elevator every 2 hours. This has saved me so much time and energy. It's fake grass, and the whole thing comes apart, and you can wash it out if you have a hose. It's really, really great. This is my second or third one that I actually purchased. I think this is the medium size, so highly recommended. So I know a lot of people have a hard time actually getting their dogs to use a pee-pee pad like that, but the way that I got Oliver to actually start using it was I got some real plants, like ones that smell like nature, and I put those on the pad so that when he went over, he had something to pee on. And I did that for maybe the first month, and he got the idea right away. And then I just replaced those with that fake plant that you actually saw sitting out there, and it has worked perfectly. If your dog is hesitant, it's usually because he needs to lift his leg up onto something, or he's not sure that that's where he's supposed to go because it doesn't smell like the place that he would normally go. So definitely try out that hack. It is amazing. I'm so happy about it. This isn't from Amazon, but I just got it in the mail, and I wanted to kind of do like a mini unboxing. So it is in this nice velvet super black box. Oh my god, look at how gorgeous this is. Guys, these are forever roses, and they are from the brand Rose Forever. Thank you so much, Rose Forever, for sending me these. Look at how gorgeous. So these will last like over a year, and they don't need light or water. They are real fresh roses, and I think that the company is based out of New York, and they like just launched. They're just trying to get the word out that, you know, about their product and like how gorgeous it is. Oh my god. This would make such an amazing gift for like Mother's Day or a birthday. So in this box there are 16 bright pink roses, and I believe they come in all different colors. They have like white roses, and they have gold roses, they have rainbow roses. Anyway, these are so gorgeous. I highly recommend them. I will put the link in the description below so that you can check them out. So that is all I have for my Amazon's favorites for pet and travel. These are my absolute like ride or die, have to have them. If they broke, I would absolutely buy it again. Essentials, I do have a ton more stuff from Amazon that I will be doing future videos on, so make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss those videos, because guys, I am like a shopaholic. It's ridiculous. Someone needs to stop me. Don't forget about the giveaway. We are going to be giving away this super cute travel tumbler. Head over to my Instagram, follow me, comment what you liked about this video over on Instagram. Also, double points if you comment below what your favorite item was and your Instagram tag, and if I can match you up, it like triples your chances of winning. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit those like, subscribe, and notify buttons, and I will see you next time.